Let's talk marketing portfolios. They're like your personal highlight reel, the secret weapon in this super competitive job market. A great portfolio shows a potential employer exactly what you can bring to the table. But what if you're new to marketing, you're new to the industry, and you don't have a lot of experience? Well, that's not a big deal. In today's video, I'm going to show you and walk you through how to build a winning marketing portfolio. And yes, you can do this even if you're new to marketing. By the end, you'll have clear, actionable tips on how to make your portfolio stand out and get noticed by hiring managers. First up, you've got to pick the right platform. This is where your portfolio will live, so make it count. Free platforms like Behance, Wix, Canva, or even Google Drive are great places to start. Your portfolio needs to be easy to access and visually appealing. Think of it as your second impression. You want it to look polished and professional. Choose a layout that matches your style. Are you more minimalist, or do you like bold creative designs? Whatever you choose, make sure it's consistent and easy to navigate. Also, pick something that is easy to update as your skills grow. Remember, your portfolio is a living document, so keep it fresh and relevant. All right, now for the fun part, showing off your skills. Even if you don't have professional experience, there's plenty you can include. Personal projects, mock campaigns, freelance gigs, or volunteer work. If you've worked on a school project or helped a friend's business, that counts too. Here's how you can do it. Create a campaign for a fictional brand or take an existing one and make it better. Be sure to highlight key metrics, creative processes, and results. And yes, even hypothetical results are fine at this stage. Let's say you design an Instagram campaign for a coffee shop. Talk about your approach, why you chose those visuals, the tone of the captions, and how it would resonate with their audience. The goal is to show your thought process and creativity. Next, let's make sure your portfolio has range. Employers want to see that you can tackle different types of marketing tasks. Versatility is key. The more you can show, the better. Include things like social media posts, blog articles, email templates, landing pages, and ads. If possible, show a mix of creative and analytical work. Here's a tip. Focus on industries or niches you're interested in. If you love fashion, create a mock campaign for a clothing brand. If tech is your thing, design a landing page for a new app. Tailoring your portfolio to your dream job makes it even more impactful. This step is game changer. Don't just upload documents, explain them. Hiring managers want to understand how you think. Context matters because it helps them understand your problem-solving skills and strategic thinking. For each project, write a brief case study. Include the problem, your solution, and the results. For example, for this email campaign, the goal was to increase open rates by 15%. I tested different subject lines and found that personalization worked best. Even if these metrics are hypothetical, with this storytelling, you're letting them know that you understand how marketing works. Want to go the extra mile? Here are a couple more ideas. Include testimonials or feedback from clients, professors, or teammates if you have them. Add a section for your skills, tools you're proficient in, like Canva or Google Analytics, and any certifications you've earned. Consider a short video introduction. It's a great way to personalize your portfolio and let your personality shine through. And that's basically it. Your step-by-step guide to making a killer marketing portfolio. You really don't need years of experience. All it takes is showcasing your skill sets properly and showing your passion for marketing. I'm down to give portfolio reviews, so if you need help with that, make sure to comment in this video. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.